This is Eric Mwathe with today's intraday observations. The Dow called up about 34 points. It's been much higher than that. We'll see where we are going to close. After yesterday's big up day, we are yet to decide whether we are going to be following through today or if the market is eventually going to turn around and head lower. So very nice follow through as of early this morning. We have about 4.5 hours to go before the market close. Why don't we go to the hourly charts to see what markets are shaping out to do over the next couple of hours. Let's begin with the NASDAQ hourly chart, and I want to point out some observations here. Is if we take this trend line support here, draw a straight line, see that the market is currently trading at a level which can be, one can argue, is this breakpoint there is now being tested. And how the market is doing that is by coming back to that breakpoint. So we draw a straight line there. See, the market has yet to reach that level. Actually, I think if I draw this line properly, the test point is somewhere in this general area here. So the market is trying to test that breakpoint. Hope that makes sense. See whether it can hold. Right now, it's not above that level. So the market has not fully recaptured or is not fully back in rally mode. Also, if we take a look at the RSI from an hourly basis, we'll see that this is where the market stalled recently, right there, which corresponds to this breakpoint on the RSI hourly. So we broke down there, eventually would come and get rejected there on price on this RSI. This happens to be the highs in the market, so that's an important level. So we've come back all the way and we are trading close to that level. If the market can't hold these levels here, and if this rolls over, then this will happen to be right now a major or a nice time to go short the market if the RSI resistance is confirmed right there. Let's take a look at the next one here, and it is for the S&P 500, and you see the same thing. Somewhere around here seems to be some level of resistance there. After this rejection there, so we are trading at these levels here. The market is going to decide whether it wants to blast out of that range or if this becomes resistance and again to the downside. Let's take a look at the QQQ. Now here I draw the line very well, and you can see that the breakpoint is over here. Market is testing that breakpoint, so we draw a straight line there. You see we are trading above it. The market needs to hold and continue pushing above that for this to be a true bounce. Otherwise, if it rolls over there, then this is ideal time to go short. Let's take a look at the airline index. And remember, I'm going to have a detailed market analysis weekend video, so be on the lookout for that weekend analysis video sometime tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. Should have that ready for you guys. So let's take a look at the airline index. You see the blue line here was support. Once we broke down there, we draw a straight line, which happens to be this level here. So the market is trading at that level. We need to break out if this market is continue rallying. If we stall here, that's going to be confirming that this is an ideal time to short the market. Actually, previously, if you go back to the previous highs, is this gray line here. Once we broke down there, draw a straight line. This happened to be a nice time to have gone short this instrument and the market there. So we might be doing the same thing with this test of this break on the blue line there. This might turn out to be a nice time to initiate short position or a nice time for market to force their movement higher by breaking out above that level. So one way or the other, we'll see what happens. I'm going to leave you here with the market trading at Dow up about 47 points. Again, be on the lookout for that weekend video sometime tomorrow. Eric Mwathe, good luck, peace, and blessings.